Hi guys, Darko here. I just received a great email from one of my followers on social media, and he basically told the same story that many of you are telling me, and actually my story is identical with your story as well. So this guy is 35 years old, and he has been trading for a time, and he lost most of his money for some years ago, and he lost interest in trading. So now, some years later, he finally feels that now I'm ready. Okay, I'm getting older and wiser, and now I want to give it a try, and I want to come back to Coach's Corner and have me as his trading mentor. And he had 3 great questions, and I'm writing those down on a piece of paper. So one of his questions was like, what would you recommend I do? Okay, which service or for how long, and what's your recommendation? Good. The next question was, how much do I need to fund my account to start trading? And this is the most common question I get very, very often. And then the last question is, once I learn your method 100%, how much time do I need to spend on it? Perfect. I'm sure that there are thousands, if not 10,000 people are like wondering the same question. So I thought this would be a great idea from my blogging to share these information with you so we all can benefit from it, right? So what do I recommend? Well, let me tell you this. If you're here or if you think that you'll be trading or learning this in 1, 2, 3, 4 months, then you're absolutely wasting your time and money, because that will not happen. So the only thing that I will recommend is that you try our service, the premium service, for 1 month. If you like what I'm doing, obviously this guy's been following us on social media, my podcast and everything. So if you like what I'm doing in real life, like real trading, well, then you just sign for 1 year, because that's what it takes for you to become a stage 4 trader if you do follow my instructions. Okay, so 1 year commitment, that's what you need to do. How much do you need to fund your account? I would say $100, max $200. Why? Because you will be trading 2 micro lots for the next coming 12 months. So I want you to put the stress around money aside and focus on what I'm trying to teach you. Once you know what I'm talking about and you understand my approach 100%, then you can focus on the money, not the first 12 months. Take that stress away from your mindset, then you can focus on actually what I'm teaching, okay? How much time do you need once you master my method 100%? If you master it 100%, I would say for position trading, once a week, it's completely enough. A couple of hours once a week, depending how many pairs you trade. If you are a swing trader, I would say once a day. You spend 1 or 2 hours, depending again on how many pairs you trade. Once a day, you plan your trades, and that's it. If you are a day trader like me, well, you need to scan through your charts every 2 hours, okay? And it takes you maybe 20 minutes every 2 hours. I'm trading 26 pairs or something, so it takes a while. That's what it takes, if you are a day trader, swing trader, or position trader. So yeah, great email. Keep those coming. Send me those email, and I will just make a blogging video out of it so we all can benefit from it. Thank you so much for listening, and until next time, stay safe and take care. Cheers.